Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be unboxing this box behind me that's in front of the toolbox. Should be items for the 2000 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Sport. That's the vehicle that was wrecked, so we're going to take them out of the box, check them out, look at them, and I'll explain what they're for. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. These should be a couple parts for the 2000 4Runner SR5 Sport that was recently wrecked. Alright, so you can see as soon as I opened it, you know, the box is pretty flimsy. Looks like there might be, alright, so we got this piece right here, which is the upper, I think this is the reinforcement. Yeah, this is the bumper reinforcement plate. Okay, that's that right there. It's the bumper reinforcement plate. We got these two little guys right here, which are, these are the bumper fillers. These are actually the little filler pieces that go underneath the headlights. So you have your headlights here, these sit under the headlights, and they fill the gap to the bumper and the reinforcement plate. So I got left and right side for that. And then we have this right here, which is actually the crush plate. This right here is the crush plate. So this is the plate that has the crush bumps on the front, and on the SR5 this side is a little bit tweaked and damaged. The bolts should be still good. You just take the bolts out, mount these up, and you got a new crush plate and everything. The frame did not take any damage. The frame is still perfectly straight on the SR5 Sport. The bumper, this side of the crush plate took a little damage. The driver's side of the plate didn't take any damage. The bumper is a little bit damaged on the the driver's side. The bumper is tweaked up, and it got shoved into the headlight, and it broke the hinges off the headlight, which is the headlights that I custom built and installed. All I got to do to fix those headlights is take the backing bracket that bolts to the frame off, since that's partially broken anyways. Put a new one on, and I can reinstall the headlights. I'm going to be moving the HID headlights with the halos to the limited, and then I'm going to be putting old school original headlights back on the SR5 Sport until I can get another set of lights where I need to get projectors and the halos, and I can do another custom build. So I'm just moving the HIDs over at the moment. One of these is actually missing. It's probably somewhere still on the highway, not sure where, but it's, you know, they're missing. These look a little bit wider than what's on the truck. I could be wrong. I'll have to see. But so here's the crush plate, the bumper retainer, reinforcement retainer, the two bumper fillers, which are for, and this box is empty. There's nothing left in this box, is what I mean by there's no packaging. It's, you know, those items were shoved in this box, which is like 6 times bigger than the items. We have the fenders, I call them front quarter panels. They're called fenders, which is what's damaged on the truck. We have the lower valance that the fog lights hook up to, as well as the turn signals hooked up to. We have a radiator support. We have an upper valance. This upper valance right here actually covers that reinforcement plate. I got a grill headlight here. I have one headlight in this box. I have 2 fog lights in this box. I have 4 turn signal housings, 2 for this, which goes to the SR5, and 2 for the limited 4Runner, because those are damaged. I also have a bumper bracket in here. I'm waiting for the other bumper bracket to show up. The driver's side is what I'm waiting for to show up. I have the passenger side in here. And then we have a bumper reinforcement retainer also. Or that's the bumper retainer. And then the reinforcement retainers right here. So we got pretty much everything for the front end. We got the bumper as well over here as well. So this wooden piece, this piece covered in wood is the actual bumper. So we got pretty much everything to restore the front end, except for a hood. I'm looking for another Toyota 4Runner hood scooped hood. My truck has the metallic Millennium silver hood with the scoop, so I'm looking for that. But just a quick unboxing, nothing major. I am a little bit upset about how big this box is for what's sitting right there, but it is what it is. Got at least all the parts that are needed other than the hood. I can't find the ram guard anymore. That ram guard is no longer made. I will take you guys out here real quick. Ooh, it is warm out here. And I'll show you guys what I have. So one set of headlights. I have a set of headlights over there in those little containers. I'm going to use these brackets. So I'll show you on this side. This bracket right here that is attached to the headlight, I can just remove these brackets, put new brackets on, and these headlights will mount again, no problem. So this headlight is sitting here because of the damage. So this silver plate, the black ones I just showed you, this is the filler panel that goes under the headlight. So I've got 2 of those. I've got 2 new headlights. So the headlight housings that I have in there, I'm going to use the brackets. And then the headlights I just got, I'm going to use to actually make another set of these. So I can repair these and put these headlights on the limited because they're HIDs with front rear halos and demon eyes. I'm waiting for these corner lights to show back up. I did order another custom set of those. I got this panel that's crushed coming in. We got this. That white covered piece is actually this piece right here. The bumper retainer goes under here. Here's the bumper and the lower valance, fog lights, turn signals. So all of this was replaced, including grill. The only thing I'm looking for is this hood right here, this hood scooped hood. This panel right here, we got 2 of them. Doesn't look like there's a lot of damage on these, so I'm gonna end up reusing. See if I can get maybe these painted and fixed. Unless I can find these, which a guy told me he's willing to sell me these for $200, and then he never got back to me, so I don't know. But looks like these fender flares can be reused on the passenger side. On the driver's side, it is not the case though. These are completely broken. They're smashed, scratched, all to heck. And I need to find another door. And then I need to restore this panel right here that actually got bent in. And then once that's done, I also need to find another cowl cover because this one's definitely destroyed. But not too bad. This ram guard's completely ruined. I might be able to find these pieces somewhere else because these pieces, these wings come off. But it's pretty badly bent. It did its job. It protected the front end the best it could. I did clean the carpets and everything in here. I did tear apart the front end. So I got the seats. I need to put the seat covers back on these. I actually had all the seat covers that were on these. I actually had put in the Limited that's in front of us. So that's why the seats are bare. This door opens other than it catches on this fender, which I'm going to have to, see, I pop it and it will open. I put the floor mats and everything after they were cleaned back in. I do have the dash disassembled for the center because I was cleaning everything up. You can see the foam from the seat cover and everything that was on here. That door needs to be replaced. The door panel could probably be used, but the mirror, I need to find another mirror. All the doors open, including the hatch. The hatch opens still. Even this door still opens. So this door is actually not damaged, other than it's got some scraping on it. Even this door opens. It stops right here because it's smashed, but it does open. I do need to disassemble the front end. I need to undo the wiring for the ram guard lights. I need to remove the wiring from the grill so I can get the grill out. I need to remove the headlights, unwire those because I have them actually hooked into the blinkers. This blinker on this side the cover got completely destroyed. This bumper valance is definitely not recoverable. The crush plate is right there. But just a quick update. So the seat covers were actually put in the Limited. So here's the seat covers. So that's where that is. And as soon as I have the SR5 Sports cargo cover in the back of here. So when I get that cargo cover from my buddy's friend, I'm gonna put the brown one that belongs in this one, and then I'm going to take the SR5's blue-gray one out, put it back in the SR5. Skye will get fixed. I'm also still trying to source a steering knuckle, and I'll just show you guys that real quick. I already have control arms, so it's not a big deal that the control arm on this side is broken on the bottom, the lower control arm. This control arm is broken. You can see I already have 2 of them for this truck, which I needed to actually take these apart and put new control arms on it. I'm glad I left these on because when this got busted and the steering knuckle flew off and everything, the new one didn't get destroyed. So I still have the new ones, so it's not a big deal. The only thing I need to find is a steering knuckle. The upper control arm looks fine, so that's good. The shock and the strut, or the strut itself, is fine. All the bushings and everything, or these rubber isolators, are fine. I do need to fix the steering rack because it got a little tweaked. If you guys can see that, it did get tweaked. So the steering rack is now bent up a little bit, so I'm going to need to fix that cross bracing, which is no big deal. Lower ball joint needs to be replaced, upper ball joint, which I can get from Napa. They're under warranty. So just looking for a steering knuckle, and we'll get her back up and moving. Other than a little bit of body damage, engine, transmission are all fine. Drive shaft, axles and everything are fine, so no issues there. Just a quick update for you guys, as well as it showed you some parts that came in. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please, as always, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I picked these up from carparts.com, and this panel right here, it's actually the correct size. Just got to get these items painted. Crush plate doesn't need to be painted. It was already black. This piece doesn't need to be painted. I'll probably paint these again. These are powder coated. I'll probably paint them with a gloss black. Paint over the powder coating just to protect it. Because there are scratches and stuff all over these because they were put in this box without protection. But other than that, everything looks great. It doesn't look like there's any issues with anything. Except this is actually bent and it shouldn't be bent. So I'll have to bend that back out or contact Car Parts and say, hey, look, I got a damaged part. It needs to be replaced. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Carparts.com is pretty easy to deal with for warranties. You know, if you get a damaged item during shipment, they'll just issue you a replacement. They normally do. And I've been using them for years. They've never actually asked me to send the items back. You can send them back if you choose. You can say that you want to send it back and you want a replacement. You can say you want your money back, or you can just do what I normally do and say, hey, I need a replacement. This got damaged during shipping, and they'll issue you a replacement, no issues. But you know, they're pretty decent company. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Look forward to putting Skye back together and getting her back on the road. See you guys next time. Peace!